Sai Ram, Sai Sham, Sai Ram, Sai Sham, Sai
Om Sai Ram. Dee, this is a letter for you from Chennai. It's from a girl called Sri Lekha. Can I read it out to you?
Please do.
So she says, Deejan, I've been going through a very difficult time, and as much as I try to fight the challenges, I am now giving up. Please show me the way out, Dee. Really need your help on this.
Thank you, Pooja. Om Sai Ram. Sri Lekha, this one's for you. I just want you to know, first of all, that challenges are good times. They are happy times. They are not times that you have to worry about or get pained in. Because when we go through our worst, it is always a message that He loves us the most. He's cleansing us, purifying us during those challenges, taking away the karmic baggage we hold, giving us an opportunity to connect stronger with Him. It just can't get any better. So first of all, don't give up. It's a good time if you're going through a difficult time. I'd like to share with you a beautiful story. Actually, it's not a story, it's an experiment that was conducted by a marine biologist in the US. What he did was he took this aquarium kind of a space, and a huge glass one, of course, and he placed a shark on one side of it. It was a glass chamber. On the other side of it, slowly he started putting in smaller fish. Within moments, the shark just went head on, attacked them, and ate them up, which is obvious. After some time, slowly the marine biologist got a fiberglass, and in that huge chamber, he just fixed it in the center, somewhere in the center of that chamber. And now he again put the small fish back into the big chamber on the other side, but other side of the fiberglass. This time the shark again came head on to eat them, and it went and hit its head against that fiberglass. It was a little surprised, why can't I move ahead? Because it could see the bait, it could see the fish. It tried again and again. As much as it tried, the fiberglass was very strong. It just held on and it wouldn't let it go through. But the shark was persistent. It would take rest for some time and again come back with more fury. Again rest for some time, again bang its head. Eventually, after many days and then weeks, the shark started giving up slowly. It was being given food to sustain, but still to see more food there, and it was made to feel hungry. So it would just keep fighting it out, but eventually the shark just gave up. It just gave up. It had no strength to go and again bang itself against the fiberglass. Now what happened is, very slowly, the marine biologist removed the fiberglass from there. And you know what? That shark never tried to go eat the fish again. It always thought there was a fiberglass there which did not exist. That fiberglass had come into the mind of the shark. When we go through difficult times, we create this glass outside of us, inside and outside of us, and we think we are blocked. We think we can't do it anymore. We think and believe that we are losing, giving up, and we build this layer of blocks, of obstacles around us, which are not as bad, mind you. I very firmly believe that it is all in our mind. The mind is so powerful. If you believe you can do something, you can do it. If you believe there is no obstacle, however big it is, it's not big enough for me, I have my Baba with me. And somebody who holds Baba Sai inside, somebody who has God's faith inside, no challenge is a big challenge for that person. But what we do is like the shark. We fight it out, fight it out, fight it out, and then we give up. And then we just give up. There are opportunities. There are ways of doing the same thing now which are there, opening up in front of us. We don't even see them. Because we have closed ourselves, we are giving up. Never give up, child, in life. Never give up. This one's for you, Sri Lekha. Get up, pick up your life in your hands. And now you're that strong, sharp, powerful, which can move in any part of the ocean. You are not blocked by anything. Hold Baba inside you. Hold the conviction of your mind with you. Believe that there is no challenge which is big. If you look at a mountain and think, oh my God, I can't climb this, you have already lost the battle in your mind. But if you look at the mountain and say, nothing is unachievable, I will give up my life, but I will reach the tip of it. You will reach the tip of it because you have believed inside you can do it. So don't lose self-belief. It's the most beautiful blessing that we have in our lives, self-belief. give good messages to your mind, to your body, and to the cosmos, and win every battle. I wish you all the very best. Thank you, Pooja. I hope that helps, Sri Lekha.
Yes, thank
Jai
you.
Sai Ram.
Jai Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.